Hello, this is Ryan with Ivy Tech, and today we're going to show you how to do grid leveling with a rotary laser. So here I have my rotary laser set up roughly near the center of my grid, and my benchmark is under door number 3 is 785.5 feet. So before we begin, we've got to lay out our grid. So we just have measuring wheels. You could use tape measure or even pacing because you don't have to be super accurate here. And we're going to lay out a 30 foot by 30 foot grid with a flag every 10 feet. So my partner's going to go ahead and head to the south and put a flag out at 30 foot. And I'm going to head to the east and put a flag out 30 foot. Then we're going to make our final corner. And then you'll see as we go back and forth, setting a flag every 10 feet. Alright, we have our grid laid out. We have A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Total of 16 flags. And if you look at my drawing, if I orient myself to the north, A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go over to our benchmark in door 3 and take a reading, which will get recorded as a back sight for our instrument. And then all of these points, A1 through A4, B1 through B4, and so on, get recorded as foresights. So we'll do elevation plus the back sight to get our height of instrument, and then we'll do a minus for each of these foresights to get the actual elevation of these points on the ground. Alright, we're here at door number 3. Power on my receiver. And I have this set to 1/4 inch accuracy since we're just on sod. We don't have to be perfect. And I've just clamped a standard steel tape into my receiver, and I'm going to record to the nearest inch and record feet and inches. So I'm facing my laser off in the distance, and I'm going to look at the back of my receiver until it gets me on point. And right there is on line, and I'm reading 10 inches, so 0-10. 0-10. Now let's go take our foresights. Alright, so we're at point A1. We're ready to take our foresights. So I'm going to extend my tape down into the side. Get it right on the money. 4-0. A1. 4-0, A2. 4-1, A3. Now that we've made all of our foresight readings, we have to go back and check into our back sight, and it should remain 10 inches. If it is different, then all of our work is suspect because our laser may have moved. "10 inches, we're good." So this is the process for doing grid leveling to determine elevations, and we would use this to calculate cut or fill requirements for the site. All right, now that we've done all of our measurements, we're ready to do some basic math. So we have our benchmark elevation of 785.5, and our first back site at door number 3 was 10 inches. So we're going to do our benchmark plus our back site equals HI, so at 785.5 feet plus 10 inches. The construction calculator makes this conversion easy. 786.33 is our HI. Now to calculate the actual ground elevation of our station points, all we do is take this number, which I'm going to make my memory, and I'm just going to minus 4 feet, 782.33. Clear that. If I hit recall and then my memory, it brings that same number back. This is 4 feet again, so same number, 782.33. This next one is 4 feet 1, so minus 4 feet 1, 782.25, which would be the same for the next one. Alright, so now we have all of our math correct and we know our actual elevations of points on the ground.